Today I want to talk to you about the best bodybuilding food which I think you may not be having or may not be having enough of. So when choosing carb sources from a whole array of foods, we tend to stick with sweet potatoes and rice. These are kind of bodybuilding diet staples. But what got them to that stage? If you know me, you know that I don't like to follow things blindly. So is there something really magical about these two foods? We generally judge carbs as good or bad based on the impact they have on our blood sugar levels. This is called GI or glycemic index. Pure glucose or a bag of jelly beans will have very high GI. This means it will spike our blood sugar levels and also have a faster drop-off point. When describing good carb sources, we tend to opt for low GI options. These will keep our blood sugar levels steadily raised and more sustained, as opposed to a quick sugar rush. So I'll repeat, white sweet potatoes and brown rice. From any GI index, we can see that these foods are barely in the mid-range. I want to shout out the humble lentil, way down there in the list of the GI. But that's not the only reason I want to give lentils a voice. Lentils per 100 grams of dry weight will give us 26 grams of protein, 26 grams of fiber, as well as a collection of vitamins and minerals, shadowing that of brown rice, which is only 12 grams of protein per 100 grams and 10 grams of fiber. Carbohydrates, roughly the same at around about 56 grams per 100 grams. So as you can see, lentils overshadow brown rice in terms of all-round nutrition. I think part of the problem is that we tend to categorize foods into which macronutrient they are highest in. Peanuts, for example, we will class as a fat source, whereas they give us protein and minerals too. And I think the same can be said for lentils. We see it primarily as a carb source. However, we get fiber, protein, vitamins and minerals. Nobody in history has ever wanted to get only one type of nutrient from one type of food and strip it of all its extra bonuses. So what did I want you to take away from this video? Well, firstly, it's important to question everything. Question, why are sweet potato and brown rice bodybuilding diet staples? Secondly, if the reason to point one is glycemic index and the fact that it's a sustainable carb source, then lentils are definitely the king. Plus you'll get a ton of fiber and protein too. I hope you enjoy this video and I'll see you next time.